Apple is about to drop its most revolutionary iPhone yet, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the leaks are wild. From a jaw-dropping redesign to next-level performance, this phone is set to redefine smartphones. Buckle up as we break down everything you need to know. Design revolution. Forget what you know, Apple is flipping the script. The leaked frames reveal a bold horizontal camera layout, giving it a sleek, futuristic look. Say goodbye to titanium. Aluminum frame plus glass back panels make it lighter yet ultra-premium. And the best part, a smaller dynamic island means more screen, less clutter. Get ready for the most immersive display ever. Display. Gamers and binge watchers, rejoice. The 6.9-inch ProMotion display, with 120 Hz refresh rate is a visual beast. Whether you're crushing levels or streaming in 4K, every swipe and scroll will feel buttery smooth. Camera. Apple is upping the camera game big time with a triple 48-megapixel setup, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, capturing insane detail in every shot. Selfie lovers aren't left behind either. The 24-megapixel front camera is a beast, for flawless snaps and crystal-clear video calls. Performance. Powered by the A19 Pro chip, 2nd Gen 3nm process, this is Apple's most powerful processor yet. Expect blazing speeds, insane efficiency, and next-gen AI capabilities. Multitasking, gaming, and editing will feel effortless. Price and launch. Rumors suggest a starting price of $1,299 steep, but worth every penny for this powerhouse. And as for the launch, September 2025, mark your calendar. The verdict: the iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just an upgrade, it's a game changer. With a bold new design, pro-level cameras, a massive display, and unstoppable performance, this is the iPhone we've been waiting for.